How to recover Snapchat streaks. To recover a Snapchat streaks, you can use the in-app restore feature or submit a request via the official support website. So launch open the Snapchat app onto your device. You go to the chat section. Here, as you could see, if you want to restore, you just have to tap on a restore, just like this, and you will be able to find that a restore, a free store available, something like that. You just want to tap onto it, and this is how you're supposed to restore your Snapchat streaks. However, if you're not able to find or if you're not able to find these options, that means you've already lost the chance, or you've completed the timeout. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and launch open the Bitmoji icon at the very top right, and to go to the settings. Here you just want to scroll down to the bottom and you want to go to contact. When you go to contact, you just want to make sure to go ahead and submit a request stating that you're unable to recover your restore and all that stuff. And this way you're supposed to fix your or recover your Snapchat streaks. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.